Hello everyone, this is Preksha Jain, your certified relationship and intimacy coach, and here I am with yet another interesting topic on Mindful Sound. Today we are diving deep into the relationship texting, from those heartwarming good morning messages to playful flirty exchanges that can bring you closer to your partner. Plus, I'll be sharing some exclusive tips from my article 40 Dirty Talks for a Long Term Relationship that you can find on my website. I will put the link in the description. So let's unlock the secrets of texting that not only connects but captivates. But wait, before that, I have a request for you all, and I know that I say it almost all my videos. See, 90% of you watch the entire videos, okay, till the end, but only 10% of you subscribe to my channel. So please, I request all of you to do the needful and subscribe to my channel if you like the content, because it will not only allow YouTube to push my content to other people but also help my channel grow. So don't forget to subscribe. Now let's dive in. Let's understand the basics of texting in a relationship. Now, texting your partner should feel like a dance, one where you and your partner move in sync, finding that perfect rhythm between not too much and not too less. It's about sending that "I'm thinking of you" text in the morning that sounds small but can mean the world to your partner. Imagine getting a text that says, "How are you doing?" during a very hectic day, or "Good night, dream about me" message before you go to bed. These little tokens of affection that keep the fabric of your relationship strong and vibrant. But it's not just about what you say. It's also about how often you say these things. Finding the right frequency is key. Bombarding your partner with messages can feel overwhelming, but too little communication can make them feel neglected. It's about striking the balance where each message adds value and warmth to your day and to theirs as well. Now, once you have mastered the basics, it's time to add some spice. Transitioning from casual to flirty exchange is like turning up the heat in a slowly simmering pot. It's about hinting at your desires, playing at innuendos, and making them smile with anticipation. Start with something light. For example, "Is it just me? Or is something about seeing you makes me smile?" Or perhaps after the great date, you can message them, "I'm still thinking about the way you laugh, and I wish that night never ended." It's these moments of playful intimacy that can transform your day, making even mundane tasks feel a bit more exciting because you're looking forward to the next text message. Flirting through texting is an art in itself. It's about suggestion and subtlety, leaving enough to imagination to spark curiosity and desire. Now, once we have mastered the art of flirty texting, let's go from there to some dirty talks if you are in a long term relationship. Now, keeping the spark in a long term relationship is crucial, and believe it or not, texting can prove to be a very solid way to maintain that. Sprinkling a little dirty talk to your message can fan the flames of desire and keep the excitement levels high. It could be something as simple as, "I can't stop thinking about you, and I definitely don't want to." The key here is to stay respectful of the other person's perception and boundaries. My article delves deep into this, offering phrases and strategies to explore this safely and respectfully, ensuring that the passion continues to burn brightly in your relationship. Now, let's understand a thing about boundaries and consent. An essential aspect of texting is understanding and respecting boundaries and consent. Not everyone might feel comfortable with the dirty talks or sometimes even the flirty messages, and that's perfectly okay. It's vital to gauge your partner's response and proceed with mutual consent and comfort in mind. If you venture flirty or a suggestive text and they steer the conversation elsewhere, then it's your cue to divert the conversation and to respect their boundaries. Open communication about what you both enjoy and look forward to is very important. Remember, consent and comfort are the topmost priority for texting when it comes to building a healthier relationship, whether or not it's a long term one. Now, let's talk about identifying unhealthy texting behaviors. Let's not overlook the unhealthy patterns. Continuous texting without response, inundating your partner with text messages when they have asked for space, or experiencing ghosting only to have them return as if nothing happened. These are red flags. Healthy relationship is based on mutual understanding, respect, and boundaries, and patience. If your text conversations are causing stress and anxiety, it's time to reassess and communicate openly about your needs and boundaries. To wrap up, effective texting in a relationship is like seasoning a delicious dish. It shouldn't overpower the main ingredients, but rather complement and enhance the taste of it. Remember, your relationship exists beyond the screen. Cherish the moments that you spend in person because they are irreplaceable. And don't forget to dive into my article 40 Dirty Talks in a Long Term Relationship for much more explicit insights and tips on how you can keep the spark alive in your relationship. Thank you for tuning in. This is all for today. And if you like the content on relationships, don't forget to hit like and share and subscribe to my channel. And also, for more backstage content and personal content, you can follow me on Instagram. I have put the link in the description below. See you the next time.